everybody, how are we all on this fine lovely summer morning? Cold, ain't it? -4 last night here. It's a little bit warmer now, it's about 1 or 2 degrees now, but it's still cold. So I thought, well I never thought, I was asked of Food From Afar. I'll leave a link to her channel. She's given me a list of not five, well I think it's 6, but I forgot one. So I'm hoping I've got some in the freezer, even though it'll be 5 things to get from the shop and cook some. So let me show you anyway. I always forget something every single time. I didn't even know until Nat says, where's the broccoli, basically. And I forgot it, so. Okay, this is what she asked me to get. She asked me to get some chicken, so I've got chicken thighs. She asked me to get some onions, so I've got, where's my onions? I just bought one of them bags from Aldi. You got about 8 or 9 in, and I've done 3 of them. I've got 4 carrots. That was 35p for a bag. And I've got 2 red peppers. That's what she asked me to get. And some potatoes, which is what I've got there. And some broccoli, which I haven't got unless I've got some in the freezer, which I'll have a look in a minute. I don't think I have because I usually buy fresh. And she says I can use anything I want out of my cupboards. Now I thought, because I've got that many seasonings and that, I don't think it's going to be quite fair. So I thought what I'll do, I'll stick to my salt and my pepper and my one seasoning. So I'm going to use mixed herbs. I think that's, you know, make it a bit better. Because I could put paprikas and everything in there and garlics and all that. And I don't think it's quite fair. And I've got some chicken bouillon. You can use chicken stock if you want. So we're going to be doing a 1 pot chicken. Nice and simple. With some roast potatoes. Because I wanted mash and that wants roasters. So I thought, well, I'll do roasters. I'll just take a couple of spuds out and I'll do them as mash for me. That's what I'll do. And I can have a bit of both then, can't I? So first things first, we'll get the potatoes on, ready to start boiling up. I'll just put my oven on to heat up. Get the spuds on. And what we'll do, I'm using my crock pot. You can just do it in a pan if you want and then transfer it to a tray or something, an oven-proof tray. Nice and simple. So, working, yeah. And we'll get that heated up for a little bit. And in the meantime, we're going to pack the skins down on the chicken thighs. Get them dry, and we're going to put some bit of salt on them. As I say, you're going to have salt and pepper, ain't you? And that's what I thought. Well, I don't want to use all different spices, because it won't be fair. You know. And I thought, well, a better way to do it in a nice cold weather than a nice 1 pot meal. And we're going to brown all the skins up. Lovely. Little bit of spray on the chicken, on the skin, and a bit of salt. And we'll rub it in. Give it a rub. Okay, a little bit of oil in the bottom of here. Or your pan or your crock pot or whatever you're using. We'll get that heated up. Okay, oil's hot. Let's get the chickens in. Skin side down. I hope I get them all in. I've done quite a lot of veg there because I thought, well, I might as well pack the old dish out, you know what I mean? Especially if you're cooking it. There we go. We'll brown all that side, then we'll turn them over and just give them a quick sear. Okay, while them chickens are frying away, I'm going to get a bit of oil in my pan for my roast potatoes. Just enough to cover the bottom like that. Nice and simple, we'll get that nice and hot. And in the meantime, I'm going to do 500ml of chicken bouillon. Pour the kettle for that. Right, I'm going to salt this side now. And the chickens, then we're going to flick them over. The kettle's just boiled for my chicken bouillon. Oh yeah, nice bit of crispy skin. Don't forget, we're not cooking them, we're just searing. Oh, that happens a bit more. Like so. I'll probably turn them again. I want that skin crispy like that. Okay, chickens are done, they'll do. They're all going to go in the oven anyway, so we want to get them out for a minute. Get your vegetables in. your carrots and your peppers and your onions. Scrape the bottom, that goodness off there. I'm going to put a little bit of chicken bouillon in the bottom just to loosen it up a bit. There we go. Lovely. Salt your veg and your onions to your taste. And we'll fry them up for like 5 minutes or whatever, just to go a little bit soft. Want all this goodness off here. Get all this goodness. I say I could have put I could have done my chickens, put them in a bit of flour first or something. But I don't want to use too much because it defeats the object of this video, really. I've got about 100 different spices all over the place. So I thought we'll try and make it as simple as we can and hopefully it's going to be delicious. Okay, they're nice and soft now, smelling delicious. So let's get the chickens in. Pile them around like this. Oh yeah. Good family meal this is going to be, ain't it? How many chickens did I get? What is it, 7? Yes, 7. I'm going to stick a bit of pepper in to taste, obviously. I'm going to get me 500ml of chicken bouillon or stock or whatever you want to use in there. Pour it all in, and we're going to get probably a teaspoon or tablespoon of mixed herbs, like so. Can always add more. It's got to come out yet and go back on the hob if it needs thickening up, so we can test it then with a taste. Right, that's going to go in for 45 minutes in the oven. I've got it on 200 degrees, middle shelf. Okay, potatoes are done. I took a bit of water out of them, put it in there for the mash, and I put four potatoes in there, just for me, for the mash, that's all. So I'm going to get a bit of salt in there for the roasters. I couldn't show you that because you know the camera's right in the way. I don't want to burn myself, if you get me. Well, I was transferring the water. Bit of pepper. My speciality is a little bit of oil, which is what I always do. Put it on. Give it a shake. Oh, if you can see, I'll show you. There we go, delicious. Get the hot pan out, mate. Well, it's hot. That's hot. And you want the sizzle, that's a good sign. And then after 15 minutes, turn them over and then leave them to however crunchy you want them. Keep turning them if you need to yourselves. But that's why we have like bacon potatoes, because they're bigger. And absolutely, you want a big roast spud, don't you? Well, I do anyway. Right, back in the oven. Okay, everything's done, I think. I've done my mash. It's only mash in it. Bit of butter, that's all. Bit of steam. Let's get these chickens out. I did baste them halfway through. I will tell you that. There's them. Let's get that off for a minute. There's me one pot, look. I'm going to put it on the hob just to simmer it down. I can put some corn flour in there or that if I need to. But I don't really want to because I want to keep it as simple as possible, if you get me. Okay, let's get the roasters out. Oh yes. Some lovely roast potatoes there, look. Delicious. Oh yeah. Crunchy and soft. That's what you want. Let's get them all in a bowl. with a bit of kitchen towel. And I say you can do them with some thyme or anything you want at your roasters, can't you? Do them with what you want, you know. We like them like with just a bit of salt. My roasters are delicious. That'll please Nat. Right, couple of minutes and I'm going to dish up. Sorry guys, I wasn't recording dishing up. I put a little bit of thickener in the sauce anyway. And it looks absolutely delicious. This one's Nat's. I'm going to pile it on. She's not a big fan of good old carrots, is that, Nat? But she'll eat that, wouldn't you, Bab?
Oh, I'll have some carrots, please. Not too many.
You've got loads. You've got loads, sweetheart.
Yeah, you forgot the broccoli.
I forgot the broccoli. Yeah, so there we go. Let's go to the table and let's eat it.
Smells lovely.
Smells nice, doesn't it?
Smells really
For a basic, cheap thing, innit?
Yeah, smells delicious.
So, there you go, food from afar. Nice, simple, delicious. Well, I don't know if it's delicious, I haven't tried it. One pot. Oh, in a winter's night day, whatever it is. Yes.
That's nice.
A simple food, let me show you. Ugh.
That's delicious, bro.
Don't forget, it's not how it looks, it's how it tastes, isn't it, Bab?
Yes, it is.
The sauce is thick. I'll put too much thickening sauce in, but that's how you want it in, like a thick gravy-ish thing. I'll show you actually what it looks like over, because I don't think I showed you that. Oh, that's what it looks like there, look. Like a little thick gravy. I don't know if I showed it you or not. Well, that's it anyway. It's going to be boiling up, Bab, because it's been in the oven.
Oh, it's delicious.
Oh, it's delicious. I haven't salted your roasters.
Yes, I'll just put a little bit on.
Oh, yes.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That's heaven on a plate.
Heaven on a plate. Simple. Try me mash. You didn't have mash, did you, Bab?
No.
There's a little bit of mash left.
I don't want any mash today, thank you. That is heaven.
A little bit of salt on my mash. I peppered it, but I didn't salt it. Try some carrots.
I don't mind the carrots in this. Tastes nice. It's that sauce it makes it nice.
That seasoning's nice, isn't it?
It's delicious.
Just all I've done is salt and pepper and mixed spice. That was it. It's nice, isn't it?
It's really that's proper nice.
Yeah.
Yum.
Yum. Bit of the skin. Do you want my skin? Or can I eat it today? Can I have my own skin today? You like the skin, don't you, Bab?
The skin's the best bit. Especially when you salt and pepper it. And just eat it.
And my roasters. Me good old roasters. It's gonna be too hot, isn't it?
Careful, they are really hot.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Too hot. Too hot for me. To hold, to show you. Oh. That's got a tens machine on it. All the end of her fingers have gone numb in there.
Yep.
Enjoying yourself? Yeah?
Oh, yes.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes. That's even on the oh, yeses now. There you go, show you that way.
Just what I needed, this, you know. Home comfort food. It's my favourite anyway, but...
Roasters perfectly soft in the middle. Nice little crunch there.
I can never moan about your roasters.
They're lovely, aren't they?
Never ever.
As I say, guys, there we go. Food from afar. I've got to get you a recipe to do now. Let's see what you can do with this recipe. With this ingredients, what he says. And I'll get you a recipe. I'll get you some ingredients to do for next Thursday probably, and I'll cook it the same. I'll let you know, but that was a good choice. That was.
It was a good choice
For the winter, wasn't it? For the winter food. And it's really cheap to make. I think the whole lot cost me about, with the potatoes 150, the chicken was 280. It's like 4. Carrots 33p per bag, 90p, so 5. About £6.
That's not bad.
That ain't bad, is it?
That's not bad.
I know I put a load of chicken in, but you don't need to.
You've got a
You know what I mean?
filling meal. A warm
Yeah, it's about £6 roughly, give or take. And if you've got seasonings in, you're laughing, ain't you? You ain't your bab.
You are, yeah.
So there you go, as I say, even do it in a slow cooker. I was on about doing it in a slow cooker, wasn't I? But I thought, no, I'll do it on there. Because I wasn't going out anywhere, so if I was going into town, I'd have done it on the slow cooker and left it on all day. It was too cold, ain't it, bab?
It's freezing.
Anyway, thank you all for watching. I'm going to give that a 10, because I think it's delicious for this time of year. And that's nearly it, all hers. Okay, bab? Okay.
Thanks.
Well done. Give you a star. You're going to go star. I'm going to get a slap. Better go before I get told off.
I'm going to give you a 10 plus for this.
Yeah, 10 plus, yeah. I can't eat mine yet. It's far too hot for me. I like mine a bit cooler than that. I say, see you later. Bye-bye. And you're giving it a 10 plus. You get right into it, ain't you, sweetheart?
It's proper nice.
Bye-bye.